Watch this video for an overview of productions on Everlaw. A production on Everlaw is based on a protocol that you configure. Your protocol specifies details such as the location of the Bates stamp and the metadata fields included in the load file. Then you run the protocol on your selected documents to produce new versions of those documents. The new versions meet the specifications of your protocol. You can create your production protocol once your data is loaded and you have an ESI agreement. Many teams find that it makes production deadlines less stressful to have the production protocol ready well before the production is required. To create a protocol, go to Data Transfer, Productions. On the Productions page, select Plus New Protocol. Choose a template that you can customize. You customize your protocol in a series of steps, and then save your protocol. The saved protocol is then ready whenever you need to run a production. As part of the best practices for preparing a production, define the review work that indicates that a document will be produced. For example, I'll create a binder called ToProduce. Once I know a document will be produced, I'll add it to this binder. If your team will be using stamps to burn in on top of redactions, an additional preparation step is to configure the stamps from Project Management, Project Settings, General, Production Tools. This allows your reviewers to select the appropriate stamps to get burned in on the redactions. When you're ready to produce documents, select Create Production Criteria to direct Everlaw towards the documents to produce. For this example, I'm choosing my ToProduce binder. Once you have a protocol and have defined the set of documents to produce, select Continue to QA. Here, Everlaw alerts you to any common issues in your production and suggested resolutions. For example, you will see a warning if your production includes any documents that don't have codes applied. This helps you make sure that your final production includes the exact set of documents you intend to produce. If this were a real production, I'd follow the suggestion to review these documents to make sure they are ready to produce. Once you have resolved or acknowledged any warnings, you're ready to produce. Select Continue Production to get it going. Your own copy of the newly produced documents are created and added to your database. You can search for them and work with them like any other document. Download or share a production from its card on the Productions page. Select Share, then choose whether you want to download it yourself, or select Share Production to create a shareable link or email a link to specific individuals. To learn more about productions, go to support.everlaw.com.